guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. It is going to be an exciting one because we are unbagging the May Wishables, which are Star Wars themed. These were released on May 4th, obviously, and spoiler alert, if you've watched my other videos, you know I know nothing about Star Wars. So we're just going to have to work through it together and figure out who these people are. Or robots or somebody. I don't know. Yeah. Alright, let's get started. Just like every Wishables series, there is one little friend that comes out of the bag. And for the Star Tours series, it is R2-D2. He is big and very fluffy. There's not a ton of detail on him, just his little squares or whatever. I'm sure those are like buttons or something. But he is pretty cute. Friends that come into the bag, it is RX-24, C-3PO, Stormtrooper, and a Star Speeder 3000. So I know there is also a chaser, and there was something like wrong with one of the chasers. Their like eyes was darker and one was lighter, and so technically there were like two chasers that people were trying to get, but we only could order 5 bags off of Shop Disney. They limited it to 5. Normally I think it's 10, which I don't think I've ever ordered 10 bags of one Wishable series, but just wanted to let you guys know that. So we only have 5 chances to get all 4. I just have a feeling I'm going to be needing to trade a lot for this series. So if you haven't watched my last Wishables unbagging, I'll link that in the up right hand corner. But I learned that it's better to cut them from the bottom for trading purposes. So I am going to cut these open and then we'll get started. So let's just jump right in to our first Wishable. Ooh, these are big. Oh, he's kind of cute. So this is RX-24. I couldn't tell you who this person is, or robot. So this is RX-24. He has his little gears. Looks like he has a couple of hands and some details on it. He's pretty cute. Alright, so let's hope for, I think the Stormtrooper would be kind of cool. 3CPO looks cool too. And obviously the Spark, I just really want all of them, but who knows. Let's see what this one is. Oh no, it's another guy. Ugh. So we've opened 2 bags and we already have a duplicate. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, we're going in for the other one. Okay, this one seems different. I'm going to say this is a Stormtrooper. Oh no, it's C-3PO. There we go. This one's kind of cool. I'm into gold, so like this is cute. Here they are up close. I really like the gold on this little guy. That one's cute. Okay, so we have 3 down. We have 2 RX-24s, C-3PO, and then we have R2-D2, which comes out of the bag. I think R2-D2 might still be available on Shop Disney, but don't hold me to that. Alrighty, next one is up. Oh man, you guys, this is not going to be a good one. Oh, we have another duplicate of C-3PO. This is what's hard about getting Wishables on Shop Disney because you can't hold them and squeeze them in the park. So I was really lucky in my last Guardians of the Galaxy unbagging, and those are all pretty much the same. I feel like these, besides C-3PO and the Stormtrooper, those ones look pretty similar. But I could definitely feel for RX-24 and the Star Speeder 3000. So this would have been a good one to like purchase in the park, since you would be able to clearly see like who is who. But that's okay. We have 2 good ones and 2 traders so far. We have 1 bag remaining. Let's all just like take a moment and cross our fingers and hope that it's a Stormtrooper. I don't think it's the Star Speeder. I think it's definitely not RX-24. So that is good. I don't feel their little hands. So it's definitely C-3PO or Stormtrooper. Oh, it's a chaser! Nice! And I think, okay, so I cannot remember if the good chaser was the dark eyes or the light eyes. So I'll have to go back and check. But here is the other, I think this is a Star Speeder. It's just the chaser. So that is actually pretty good, because it will be easier to trade for the Stormtrooper and the Star Speeder 3000 with my extra C-3PO and RX-24. So hopefully I'll be able to trade these 2 guys for Stormtrooper and my Star Speeder, because it's really hard to like make a trade for a chaser, because everybody wants a chaser unless they have multiple. So I will take that. Woohoo! It was successful. Definitely out of like the 6 that they have, I have 4 of them. So that's pretty solid. Let's just go through them one more time. So we have RX-24, C-3PO, R2-D2, and I'm pretty sure that these are hard to hold. I'm pretty sure this is a different Star Speeder. So here are our little friends. And I would say that is a pretty good unbagging. Yes, we didn't get the Stormtrooper or the other Star Speeder, but we did get the Chaser, and I'm fairly confident that I'll be able to trade for the other 2. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's unbagging of the Star Tours Wishables. Like I said, it was a pretty good unbagging. Yes, we didn't get 2, but we have 4 out of the 6 Star Tours Wishables now, and I'm confident that I'll be able to trade the other 2. So if you have a Stormtrooper or a Star Speeder 3000, make sure you guys comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram. Let's trade if you need a C-3PO or an RX-24. Alright, let's do it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Please, please, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your support so, so much. We're almost to 100 subscribers, which is just like mind-blowing to me, because I just started this channel this year. But I very much appreciate all of your support. So, thank you. Like I said, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you real soon. Bye!